Hi, good afternoon, team. Welcome to VyVo Rise India Global 10x team. This video is specially, made for all of you. So, in for especially India, company has given us 10 product codes with free of opportunity where we all can utilize this opportunity. So, how to check these codes and where can we find this code? So, let me explain this to you. So let's log into my.vyvo.com. So we all have our user credentials on the left hand side. Kindly input your username and password and click on your login options, and the system will prompt you to your home page where you can see your name along with your home page. So here we can see our name which comes along with our home page, right? So this is going to be my credentials. So I'm just opening my username and password over here. So kindly close this button. Okay, it says Madhu Shivanna, this is my name. So we all see this is the home page. Okay, in this home page we also see VyVo Rise India over here. We have to click on this access now later, but before that, where do we find the product codes? So click on the drop down menu. Okay, you can see my orders. So click on my orders. Okay, so once we click on my orders, the system will route us to my order page where we also see a lot of other options like history, product codes, right? So this is where we need to click on product codes. Okay, so click on product codes. So once we click on product codes, we can see there are a lot of product codes which has come. Okay, product code, it says Rise India code. Okay, so all these 10 codes can be utilized to uh, you know register a new person by taking a payment of rupees 2200 in Indian currency. Okay, so anybody whom we refer into this system, they are supposed to make a payment of 2200 rupees as a pre-launch offer. So once this 2200 rupees has been collected from them, the other person whom we register will also receive 10 voucher code, that is 10 codes. So each person whoever gets registered will be receiving this 10 codes. So this is the place where we need to go and check the codes. So please copy all these codes at one single time, and you have to come back to your home page, and you have to initially log out, and again you have to log in with the other person's credentials whom you have registered. So let's say for example, my name is Madhu and I have referred an X person. Okay, so the X person has already been registered with a free username and password, but they have not been activated. So how do we activate them? Okay, log into their user ID and password. Okay, and go to the VyVo Rise India, click on access now. So once we click on access now, what happens? It next takes us to the India page. Here it says insert here your voucher number. Okay, you have 10 voucher codes. Please select any one voucher code, paste the voucher code and click on activate now. It is going to get activated immediately. So how do you check and recheck whether this is activated? Kindly log on to their user credentials. Again, go to the my orders and click on the product codes. You will see 10 codes. So it means that it has been activated. So dear friends, we have an opportunity where we can earn 22,000 rupees per single day, more than that depending upon our strategy, right? So I hope this video helps all of us. All right, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Work works. Love you all. Bye bye.